plus now. Okay.
Yeah.
Blocker, critical, major, minor is done. So severity is done. Let us go to the priority. Okay.
Right.
So what do you mean by priority? Now see,
Priority
analyze this.
basically is how soon we need to fix those defects.
Yes, very good. How sooner the developer needs to fix the
Fix the
defect,
defect.
not we. Okay, it is a developer.
Yeah.
There is a high, or in a company we'll use a word called as P1, medium, or P2, low,
Yeah.
or P3. Okay. Now, how sooner developer need to fix the defect? Let us go to your example only. You will understand beautifully here. Let us go to something critical only here only. Let us go. Bank app, unauthorized access to the user's account. It means it is a defect. User X is logged into user Y's account. Yes or no? That is what we are telling.
Yeah.
This is a severity critical.
So this has to be done right away.
Priority, it's very important. It should be fixed immediately. So P1.
Mhm.
So what do you mean by P1 defects means? Whenever the defect priority is P1, the developer should fix the defect immediately. Got it? He should
Yep.
fix the defect immediately. How sooner, sir? He is sleeping. He's sleeping in his home, okay? His manager will call him immediately, night 12:30. He's sleeping, his
Mhm.
manager will call. He should open his laptop and he should fix the defect. Later only he have to sleep.
Really?
100% real.
Wow. So it cannot wait till morning.
No, wait till morning means, see, night
Loss
12
of
o'clock.
business. Yeah. Loss of business.
12 night to morning 9 o'clock you will go to office. All the accounts are hacked. Entire application is hacked. Done.
Right.
Got it. So immediately they
Yep.
have to fix. So developers, whenever they are traveling, no, they will take their office laptop with them. Why? Because chances are there this might happen. Okay. Now
Right.
medium. If the priority of the defect is P2 or medium, the developer can fix the defect in a span of time. So span of time matlab, here let us take a week time, or we will call something called as sprint. What is sprint? I will tell you, okay? Or
Mhm.
test cycle. So sprint means some time. Okay, week means 7 days. Sprint means some days. Test cycle means some days. Got it? So there will be some time. Or I can tell before releasing the software. So there is a defect. Like whatever you told, that error message is not displaying, but cab is also came. That type of example is there, no? So for that example, before releasing the software only, we have to fix the defect. P2 means not neglected one. P2 defects also, they have to fix immediately. Not immediately, they have to fix it before releasing the software. Got it? So they will get a time of week or sprint or test cycle. This is also a time span that you will learn in the
Mhm.
future classes. Got it?
Yep.
Now, if the priority is low, P3. So let me give you an example. Now straight away, now itself I will show you one defect. So Amazon signs is there, no? So this is a link. What is this? This is a link. Sir, how can you tell
Mhm.
it is a link, sir? See, when the cursor is about to touch that word, the cursor is becoming a hand symbol. Can you see that?
Yeah.
That is a simple way. Or whenever you observe here you observe, whenever I'm trying to click on this one, some link http colon double slash
Mhm.
www.amazon sites. So the link is showing below. See, this is also link. This is also. So in some applications, let us take a Facebook login. What happened? Trump account. Okay, I have done something when I was teaching. No? That time in the last class, my Facebook only. Okay, let me go with the Instagram or yeah, Geo something. Let me show you. It will take some time to find the live defects. Okay, so see here. Can you differentiate whether it is a link or this is a button?
Yeah, it's a link. Login with Facebook.
Link, na?
Yeah,
How you tell this is a link?
because of that little handy icon.
Because of hand icon. Let us see it. So what is happening here? That is a button actually. Okay. Now see here. This is a forgot password is there, no? If I'm about to touch that word, so that time that
Mhm.
cursor is converting into hand symbol. And below you can
Right.
see here some link is generating. But as a standard for a link, underline should be present. I showed you. So these are the links. See underline. Whenever I'm moving my cursor, some underline is it is showing. Can you see?
Yep.
But here, see, this is a link only, but I am not able to see the underline. So this is a defect, live example of a defect. That is what type of defect? That is a minor defect again. Okay, that is a minor defect and that is a P3. There is no need of fixing the defect immediately.
Mhm.
You can fix the defect whenever you got the time or you get the time. Whenever you get the time means Facebook launched in 2010, let us take till today they have not fixed the defect means they did not got a time to fix this type of defect. This defect will never affect the customer. Is this affecting you?
No.
Got it. So that type of defects we'll call it as a P3. You understood?
Yep.
Okay, take the screenshot. Now there is a important interview question.
Mhm.
Done.
Yep.
So basically you understood severity and priority. But these things, no, the interviewer will not ask. They will ask one question.
Mhm.
Give me an example for high severity and high priority. I told you that for each and every defect, we should give one severity and one priority. Yes or no?
Yep.
So there are four cases now. There is a high severity, high severity, low priority.
So we have to make different combinations,
Yeah.
right?
So low severity, high priority. low severity, low priority. Now you should understand this concept and you have to
Mhm.
decide to give the examples in the interview. Got it?
Yes.
So let us know, let us go with it, like how we can do this, or I will give you one example, but it is your responsibility to
Mhm.
tell me many examples because you understood the concept. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes. So, okay. Now I will guide you with a high severity, high priority. The banking application, whatever you told, that is correct. Okay, that should be fixed immediately. Or WhatsApp messages, whatever you told or I told, that is correct. That is high severity, high priority.
Mhm.
Or Instagram security is not there. That is high severity, high priority. Understood?
Can you give me 1 second? I'm just going to make some little notes here. High
Okay.
severity and high priority. So which examples did you say? The WhatsApp messages?
Yeah, sending the message to user B, but it is not gone, or I'm not able to see the user A's message in user B's chat, or it
So that
went to
is high
user C.
severity and high priority. Okay.
Yeah,
The second will be high severity and low priority.
yes.
High
Now, high
severity.
severity means focus here 1 second. High severity means blocker defects or critical defects.
Mm-hmm. Blockers and
Critical defects
critical. Okay.
should be fixed immediately. Should be fixed
Immediately.
immediately.
Okay.
Any blocker or critical that should be fixed immediately. That is what we'll call it as a high
High
severity, high
severity and
priority.
a high priority.
High
Okay.
severity or high low priority.
Mm-hmm.
Any blocker or critical can be fixed, can be
Mm-hmm.
fixed on P3 means not immediate, whenever they will find a time. You got it? There are some
Yeah.
blocker defects. Sir, then blocker defects, no, they have to fix immediately. No, this blocker defects will not affect the customer. I will give you
For
example.
for example, I can say like the links you were showing,
Yes,
contact us.
yes, yes, very good. So I'm going here, I'm clicking on this link. Nothing is happening. This page, Amazon Science
Mm-hmm.
page is blank,
Mm-hmm.
but nobody will use this. Yes or no?
Yep.
Yeah, definitely. So that is what blocker, and it is P3. Next, low severity, high priority. Low severity means a minor defect, got it? Some overlappings, those things. But high
Low
priority,
severity but high priority.
that is P1.
Okay.
Immediately you have to fix.
Can you repeat the example for this one, please? The low
This one,
severity and high priority.
yeah. So let us go to this example now.
Mm-hmm.
Now I've opened the Amazon.
Mm-hmm.
Amazon spelling only wrong.
Okay.
AMAZAN is there.
Okay.
Search bar is overlapped on the country. Overlapped here, search bar is there. But I can able to access both, but
Mm-hmm.
overlapping issue is there. So then they have to fix immediately. Yes, because look and feel of an application is very important. See now, I went to refrigerators. Okay, I went to
Mm-hmm.
some. I have selected some refrigerator. Okay, here inside here went to content. Okay, somewhere
Mm-hmm.
point 8 and point 9 is overlapping somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
This is not a immediately we have to fix. Got it?
Right.
Somewhere which is not in an important place, or this 11 plus years Amazon is there, no? The spacing is not good. It is overlapped, or 11 plus is here, years on Amazon, something like that. Let us see. It is like this. Can you able to see?
Yeah.
Or something, this content, let me pull this. How it came? Okay, something based on LG, it is showing like this. There are some overlappings or broken frames, something is there, which is not in a home pages or the login pages. Got it? Where
Mm-hmm.
user will feel that application, no look and feel initially. There it is not there. That time it will become low severity, low priority, minor defect with P3. If it is in the home page, somewhere here, some overlappings are happening, then you have to fix it immediately. Understood?
Yeah. So basically, it's the difference between the home page plus the inner details. The
Yes.
the outer page, as soon as you
Not
open,
not
should
in
be
not inner page. I mean, I'm telling you, if you navigate through the application
yeah,
with
the
the
inner
menu page, no?
details,
Yeah, yeah,
the
yeah.
inner
In a,
details of the products.
in a detail, and humans are not focusing that particular thing, or we are
Right.
bothered about that particular thing. If
Mm-hmm.
we are bothering, that is P1. If user is feeling that, look and
Mm-hmm.
feel is not good, overlappings are there. See, whenever the app is launched in the market, no, the app is
Mm-hmm.
always new, and there will be always new. There will be a trust issues. Got it?
Right. Yep.
So if the trust issues are there because of the look and feel of an application, can you use that application? Day by day, the users will not use that application only. The crores
Yeah.
of rupees, whatever we have spent now, billions of amount,
Mm-hmm.
it's waste because our app is not looking good because of that users is having the trust issues. You got my point?
Mm-hmm.
If the users are not using the application, then why we have to develop the application? Why we have to test the application? Why customer will give the requirement? Why we will get the job?
Right.
Got it? So there is no value for that. So it's very
Mm-hmm.
important for us to satisfy the customer. In IT industry, there is a word. Always we should satisfy the customer. Customer is the God. Customer will give the business. You got my point?
Yep.
So these are the words we'll use. So always customer is a God for the IT companies.
Mm-hmm.
He will give the business. Business means money. If you take any other business, no, if you take a civil engineer, you have to build, yes or no? If he
Yep.
is mechanical engineer, he have to repair or he have to manufacture.
Right.
Or if you are electronics, you have to develop a mobile. But
Mm-hmm.
what is the computer science engineer is doing?
Testing.
Writing a code, developing the software. Here you are using your brain. Okay, there is no
Right.
hard work. So for your brain, they are giving the money. Got it? So you have to
Mm-hmm.
treat them as a god. So if you are doing some mistakes, no, you are not finding a defect, or developer is not fixing a defect, or the software quality is not good,
Mm.
look and feel of the software is not good, everything will matter. So
Right.
we have divided into four categories of the defects. Those are high severity, high priority, low severity, low priority, high severity, low priority, and low severity, high
High
priority.
priority.
Now your task is, I need at least five defects on these,
From each category.
yeah, from these
Okay.
four categories.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Okay. 5 examples of each
Yeah,
category. Okay.
and it should not be high level. So why I told you, you got it right. Initially, I explained you. As a test engineer, we should be specific, more specific
Got
with
you.
the
Mm-hmm.
content, okay, with the
Mm-hmm.
examples what we are giving. So analyze that, think, and give me examples tomorrow's class. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So I think this much is enough, because if I go more, no, then that will not feel good. That will be more
Okay.
for your head. Okay.
Okay. I'll
So
write the examples and send it to you.
yeah, yeah. So tomorrow what I'll do, I will teach
Same
you
time?
how developer will communicate, how test engineer communicate defect to developers, what will happen,
Okay. Okay.
uh, how the company will run, right? That story and all is there.
Okay.
So that let us see in the tomorrow's class. Okay.
Okay, right. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye. Take care.
Yeah.